In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly change the units of measure in Adobe Photoshop. This is a simple but very useful setting to know, especially if you work on different kinds of projects. For example, web designs often use pixels, while print projects may be easier to manage in inches, centimeters, or millimeters. Photoshop also gives you the option to work in points or Picas, which can be helpful in more traditional layout workflows. The good news is that switching between these units only takes a few seconds. If you're creating a brand new document, Photoshop lets you choose your preferred unit of measure right from the beginning. Before you click Create, look for the Units drop-down in the New Document settings. From there, you can select the measurement type that makes the most sense for the project you're about to start. Choosing the right unit at this stage can save time and help you avoid unnecessary adjustments later. If you've already started working on a document, don't worry. You can still change the units at any time. First, display the rulers by pressing Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on Mac. If the rulers are hidden, this shortcut will make them appear around your canvas, giving you a quick visual reference for size and spacing. Once the rulers are visible, right-click anywhere on either ruler. This opens a list of available measurement units. From that menu, you can choose pixels, points, inches, centimeters, millimeters, or Picas. As soon as you click one, Photoshop updates the rulers to reflect your selection. This is one of the fastest ways to switch units while you're actively designing, and it's especially helpful when moving between screen-based and print-based work. You can also change measurement units from the image size window. Go to Image, then choose Image Size. In that panel, you'll be able to switch the units used for the document's width and height. This is useful when you want to check or adjust the physical dimensions of your design more precisely. That's all there is to it. Changing the unit of measure in Photoshop is quick, easy, and can make your workflow much more accurate. Whether you're designing for web, print, or any other creative project, using the right unit helps you stay organized and work with more confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.